help? Did you hear what I said?
This isn't my problem. Don't put it on me.
You gotta come with me. I'm worried something terrible's happened to her. Please, I'm begging you. Help me.
Got enough trouble, sister.
Here I thought I'd finally found someone I could believe in. I know exactly who you are. Michiko, whatever the hell, escaped con. So what's it gonna be? Should I call the cops? How's that for trouble, sister? Please! All I'm asking you to do is come with me to Rico's, okay? That's it! I just want to return his money and get Lulu back. But I'm afraid Rico isn't gonna forgive me so easily. Which is why I need some backup, someone to cover my ass. You can do that, right?
If you're gonna call the cops, go ahead.
Why? Why won't you just help me out here? Is it because you think I'm a whore? Huh? Not good enough for your majesty? Well, screw you!
'Cause I've made my own commitments. And if anything were to happen to me, who'd look after Hatchin? You, Pepe? Are you gonna do that? Hey, wait. You're still going?
Yeah, of course I am. This ain't nearly enough.
Damn it. Why didn't I just...